Hi, today I will tell you how you can fix this PS5 error. First you need to right click on the game which is giving you this error and then delete that game and click OK. After it, turn your PlayStation off and then press and hold power button until you hear 2 beeps. And once it is open in safe mode, just go to the clear cache and rebuild database, select it and then click on rebuild database and wait for some time. After it, you need to turn your PS5 on and go to system, and first you need to back up your data because in this reset you can lose your data. And after backing up your data, click on the reset options and then select reset your console, and after applying this technique your error should be fixed. Thank you so much for watching the video. If this video helped you, click on the like button and subscribe the channel. Bye.